better be in focus. Like, I'm not in the mood today. Love to bronze. Of course, I'm going in with my fave, KKW Beauty. Ooh, no, honey, no.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
It's MATIC Monday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today is just another episode of MATIC Monday, and we just did something like real cute. Like, y'all see it? Y'all want to get into it? You know what I'm saying? I love it. I love how it all came out, and I hope y'all like it too. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base. That's what I'm going to use as my eyeshadow primer today. I'm going in with this base because I'm doing a colorful look. So I just want it to be like popping. I want the pigments to really stay true to color and to really show up and to be as bright as they look in the pan, basically. I'm using a MAC 217 brush to apply it, and y'all know I just pat and press, and you just want to continue to do that to set it. You do not want to set it with the powder. It's a self-setting base, and you'll know it's completely set when it becomes tacky. So the palette I'm using today is the Box of Crayons palette, and for my first shade I'm going to be mixing these two colors right here. I'm gonna pick up this, no, I'm lying, oh my gosh, I'm gonna pick up the pink and I'm gonna pick up the red, and I'm gonna mix them so I could create this magenta color, like similar to this one, but this one is a shimmer, which is why I'm not gonna use that one. And I'm just gonna pack that on first before I blend it. And I'm applying this color with a Morphe E17 brush. It's just giving me Barbie vibes. I mean, we're gonna really, it's barely gonna show, as you can see on this. Well, I mean, it's all love it, honey. So I'm going to pick up this tan color. It's named, the color is literally tan. If y'all don't know much about the crayon case, she's all about like school supplies, like naming her products after school supplies. Y'all should go check it out because it's affordable. But picking that up with my favorite Morphe M506 brush, this is the shade in the brush that I am going to use to just blend out the edges of this color. So I kind of I worked backwards because y'all know I usually go in with my transition shade and then I'll start with whatever eyeshadow I'm going to be doing today, but instead I wanted to go ahead and lay down that pink because I didn't want to blend that in with that tan because it could have altered the color a little bit. So I just laid the pink down first and then went in with the tan. Now I'm going to take purple and deep plum, these two shades. I'm going to mix those because on this eye, make sure I'm in focus, the purple alone wasn't doing exactly what I needed it to do as far as pigment. So I just laid down the deep plum mixed with it. So just to let y'all know, if a palette doesn't have the exact color you need, you can try mixing colors before you go and work out of multiple palettes. And I'm trying to get in the habit of that just so, you know, y'all don't watch my videos and think y'all need to be getting like multiple palettes to create one look. Sometimes it is necessary, but not all the time. Okay, just like that, you know what I'm saying? Real simple, real cute. You do have to take time to actually blend these products, especially when you're working with color. You just want it to all still seem seamless. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that P. Louise base now, and I am going to begin to cut my crease. And we're just going to do a regular cut crease today. We're not going to wing it out. And when you're working with color, you just want to pat it on first before you start swiping, because then you can potentially smudge the colors and then it'll just probably create a muddy mess, and you don't want that, because then it's going to be irritating trying to clean up, honey. I am going to go in with this white shade right here, because it'll kind of be a double cut crease, but it kind of won't, honey. So I'm going to take this white and put it right along the edges. Y'all, being forced to stay in this house, I have like literally went back and started Housewives, Real Housewives of Atlanta. I have literally watched that from the very beginning, like season 1, episode 1, and y'all, this is a trip, like going back and rewatching it, because you know they've been going on for so many years now. So I went back and, you know, I just felt the need to start over because I ain't got nothing else to do. So now I'm just going to pick up this baby blue shade. I am just going to go right in over that. Let me wet my brush. But I'm just going to go right over that. So it is like a double cut crease, but like not really, you know. I used the Morphe M213 brush to lay down the white shimmer shade, and now I'm using it for the blue, because this is a really a detailed brush. Like you can really just do so much with this brush when you're trying to do anything that involves detail when it comes to eyeshadow. When you just need to be precise and all that, this is the brush, honey. This is the brush. So I'm just gonna switch brushes to like a fatter brush, just to go ahead and complete the look, you know, so we don't gotta keep using that baby brush. Just to fill in the center, like so. See, this just got the job done, honey. This just got the job done. Made it go faster. Just gonna pick up this brush, a flatter brush, and I'm just gonna go right over where I placed the white to fill in, well, not fill in, but I'm gonna go over it with the purple. With this purple, that's what I'm gonna do. And just make sure, I'm just gonna make sure, you know, the purple isn't disappearing. So I'm taking this NYX liquid matte liner, and you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna do a quick wing, honey. Just a little quick one. I just love the applicator on it, because it's skinny enough to really get that wing as sharp as you need it to be. And it does not, like, when you pull it out, it does not apply way too much product, because that can be hard, a little difficult to work with, especially for beginners. So I'm gonna glue my lashes on, and I'm taking my Miss Lash, what is these? Miss Lash 3D Lash Honey, and these are in the number 23, okay y'all. So I'm going to quickly go through what I'm gonna do as far as my complexion today. For foundation, I did go in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. This is in the shade Clove, number 28. For concealer, I am going to be using my Morphe Fluidity concealer, and this is going to be in the shade C3.55. I love this concealer. I'm going to highlight with it, so I'm going to take it under my eyes, down the center of my nose, on my forehead, and around my mouth area. To set the areas where I highlighted, I'm going in with my KKW Beauty setting powder in the number 3. This one has a yellow tint to it, but it is so good for brightening. I love this powder. It's one of my favorite powders because it's also not too mattifying, and I don't like for my powders to be too matte. So this one is great for that. To bronze, I'm going in with my favorite bronzer. Y'all already know the deal. This is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer, and I got the shade Cocoa Naughty. I do want to try the other one, the one after this one, because I think it'll be like more for contour. I'm gonna see what that shade would be about, you know what I'm saying? See how the heavy girl looking. It's just gonna bring that color back to the face after you do all that highlighting with concealer, you know what I'm saying? We need to bring that warmth back so we won't be looking all washed out and pale and just not our complexions. No ma'am, that's not cute, honey. We need to be looking bronzed and snatched at the same time. Yes ma'am, honey. You see how we just look. And y'all know this is my favorite part. I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty blush, and I'm going to do Sangria Sunset, which is this hot pink blush. I just think it's perfect for, you know, the hot pink that we put down in the crease. I just think it'll just tie the look in. Like, it'll just complement this look so well, I feel, you know. As you can see, like I'm like literally using a generous amount, and it's just so beautiful. So don't be intimidated by blush. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. What am I, McDonald's? Like, why am I saying it like that? Alright, y'all know it wouldn't be a proper charity makeup routine anymore without my Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder, okay? I love this stuff. This is literally my holy grail now. I'm dreading the day that I run out. Like, I'm hurting already, and I'm nowhere near out. So, going in with this NYX highlighter. What is this? The Strobe of a Genius palette. I'm just going to kind of mix. No, I'm gonna just get this middle. I'm not even gonna make it difficult, because I love to make something difficult. I don't know why I'm like that. I think I want to try this. Like, what's up? What's up with this one? Nothing, because it definitely didn't show. I'm gonna just stick with this. Products a chance. I love trying new products, but sometimes it's not worth it, especially when you're going for a specific look. Really pretty. I'm really proud. Like, wow, my chin, you know what I'm saying, right there on my nose. Going back in with that pink and red, and I'm just going to, you know, put that on the lower lash line. No real method, just really just smudging it on there. Gonna go in with this NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Purple, and I'm literally only going to place it on the outer corner of my eye. Going back in with the purple shade from the palette, and I'm just gonna smoke that out there on the bottom. So I'm going to pick up the baby blue shade, and then I'm going to go on my inner corner on my lower lash line. So for lips, I am going to line my lips with Chestnut by MAC, and then I'm going to fill them in a little bit with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. And then for gloss, I'm going in with this NYX Slip Tease in the shade First Date. Okay guys, so that completes today's episode of MATIC Monday. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all like the look. Thank you all so much for watching. I love it, honey. Ooh. But y'all know I'm about to take some pictures now and do what I got to do, get cute, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.